Hello. Today we have a package from Denmark. My friend Kim sent this to me like a month ago and it took that long to get it. Sorry, my dog is playing with his toys, so he doesn't want to leave me alone, so we're going to have to deal with listening to dog toys. Now, I haven't opened this. I've opened the box and took off address labels and stuff, but I haven't seen anything else that's in the box. But he made quite a few customs. I'm not going to take these out yet, but that one looks really cool. I like that's hydro dipped, I think he said, and that's like the top is also a bottom. It used to be a bottom, and he trimmed it down, and it'll fit a Zippo insert and everything. And then this is, I think, just airbrushed yellow, but a bright yellow. Really nice looking yellow. I like it. And wow, there's no way. All of these? Are all of these? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. World of Warcraft Alliance lion. Oh, that's super, super cool. Look how badass that looks. The color on it and everything. Oh, that one's getting used for sure. Yeah, absolutely. That's super, super awesome. It looks like we have some Chinese flint and wick in a look-alike Zippo dispenser there. Alright, let's see what else. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Oh, we got two slims here. That looks like a satin chrome, but it's more, you can tell it's got like clear coat on it and stuff. Looks like some of the clear coat ran, but I'm pretty sure I can buff that and re-clear coat it. He didn't send inserts because, well, they just way too much. And it was being shipped from Denmark. Once again, I like that yellow, and it doesn't really show it on the video here. It looks more like a canary yellow, but in person here it's more of a goldish color. Really, really, really nice. And look, we're not even halfway through. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, he showed me this one too. That's really cool. This is also hydro dipped. I've never tried that hydro dip, but he's done quite a few, and it really looks pretty cool. The video is doing it no justice. I'm sure it would look a whole lot better, or it does look a whole lot better in person. Trust me on that one. What looks like a blemish isn't. We got a gunmetal gray there. Oh, and a horde symbol on this one. Another World of Warcraft one. It looks like the color from the symbol ran a little bit, probably with the clear coat, but once again, I can try to fix that. Feels like the sticker's coming up right there, but yeah, I'll get into the shop and see about fixing that one myself. And then all these cool bags that they're in. Like this is a pretty nice touch here. This one feels heavy, so I think this one's got an insert in it. Oh yeah. Blue and yellow. I like that color combination. It's really nice. On an 08 Zippo, and yeah, we've got an insert. Yeah, one of these is going to be put to use immediately. Probably that Alliance one. Let's see. That might be all the Zippo stuff. These are candies that his wife made, and it's been at customs for weeks now, but they look all right. I think they're like caramels or something like that. I forget, but I'm definitely going to try one. I don't want to be smacking my lips while I'm trying to make a video or anything like that. Sent me a new processor for my computer, which is awesome. Ooh, another one, a slim blue one. Oh, and this one doesn't have any clear coat. That's fine. I will clear coat that one myself. Let's see. I think this is just a graphics card that he also sent me. He works at a computer shop, so he gets all sorts of this stuff. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Thank you, sir. Now, what do we got in here? Alright, this one's sealed up, so you're all going to have to deal with looking off screen real quick. Alright, 10 seconds. Okay. We got some extra RAM here and another processor. I didn't know he was sending 2 processors. I thought he was sending 2 graphics cards. Either way, that's pretty awesome. That will get some use also. And let's see here, what do we got? Nice. I mean, we're going into DDR5, but all of my computers are still using DDR4, and that's 16 gigs of RAM there. Pretty awesome. So yeah, thank you, Kim. And I'm sure most of you that watch Zippo Fanatic 77 know who Kim is. Super awesome guy, good friend. Thank you. Thank Katja as well for sending me the candies. I'll talk to y'all later.